When thinking about ways to improve your home in Eagle, it's easy to focus on big projects like kitchen remodels or bathroom upgrades. But sometimes, the most impactful changes come from the simplest updates, like installing new doors. Whether it's your front entry door, patio door, or even interior doors, professional door installation in Eagle is one of the smartest home upgrades you can make. Here's why replacing and installing new doors is a decision you'll appreciate for years to come. Improve your home's curb appeal. First impressions matter, and nothing says, "Welcome," like a stylish, high-quality front door. If your current door is worn, outdated, or doesn't complement your home's exterior, it can drag down your curb appeal. A new entry door instantly upgrades the look of your home. Today's door options come in a variety of materials, colors, and designs, from traditional wood to sleek steel or fiberglass, so you can choose a door that perfectly fits your style and enhances the overall aesthetic. Whether you're planning to stay for years or thinking about selling in the future, a new door adds noticeable charm and value to your property. Boost energy efficiency. Eagle seasons bring a mix of hot summers and chilly winters, which means your home needs to be properly sealed against the elements. Older doors often have gaps, cracks, or poor insulation, letting cold air in during the winter and warm air in during the summer. Modern doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. With tighter seals, weather stripping, and insulated cores, a new door can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing drafts and air leaks. As a result, your HVAC system won't have to work as hard, and you'll likely notice a drop in your monthly energy bills. Over time, those savings make the investment even smarter. Increase home security. Your doors are one of the most important components of your home's security. An old, flimsy door or a damaged frame can make it easier for intruders to gain access. Today's doors are engineered with stronger materials, reinforced frames, and advanced locking mechanisms to help protect your home and your loved ones. Professional installation is key here. A properly fitted and secured door offers much better protection than an improperly installed one. Choosing a local Eagle expert ensures the job is done right, giving you peace of mind knowing your home is safer. Enjoy better functionality. If you're constantly fighting with sticky doors, loose hinges, or squeaky handles, you know how frustrating old doors can be. Installing new doors eliminates those daily annoyances. New doors open and close smoothly, and they can also offer added convenience through features like built-in blinds, improved soundproofing, and even smart locks. Whether you're replacing an entry door, a sliding patio door, or interior doors, professional installation ensures everything works the way it should, making your home more enjoyable to live in. Increase your home's value. Home improvements that combine aesthetic appeal with functionality tend to offer the best return on investment, and door installation is no exception. Prospective buyers notice new, stylish, and secure doors right away. They send a clear message that your home has been cared for and maintained. Even if you're not looking to sell anytime soon, knowing that you're adding value and equity to your home makes door installation a worthwhile project. Final thought. If you're looking for a home upgrade that combines beauty, functionality, and value, door installation in Eagle is a smart choice. With benefits ranging from improved curb appeal and energy efficiency to better security and convenience, new doors make a meaningful difference in your home's comfort and style. When you're ready to take the next step, work with a trusted local professional to help you choose the right doors for your needs and ensure they're installed properly. You'll enjoy the benefits of this smart home upgrade for years to come, and wonder why you didn't do it sooner.